Assalamualaikum everyone, this is me Ramsha Sultan. Today I would be reviewing the Inveda Passion Fruit and Silk Protein Facial Kit. This facial kit claims to reduce dryness and dullness and brighten up the skin. This facial kit has passion fruit oil which protects the skin from damaging. It also has silk proteins which protect the skin against the negative influence of environment. It has argan oil which gives skin a natural boost. It also has vitamin C which corrects the hyperpigmentation and age spots, and mangista extracts which keep the skin glowing and removes pimples. This facial kit is for all skin types but specifically good for dry skin people. This is a very unusual kind of a facial kit which you won't find common in the market. This one-time use facial kit retails for 225 rupees. I would be reviewing the papaya and cucumber facial kit. This facial kit claims to effectively remove sun tan and blemishes and whitens the skin. This facial kit has papaya extracts which effectively lightens the complexion, cucumber extracts which are natural bleaching agents and remove the tan. It also has vitamin B3 which protects the skin from UV damage, and other ingredients which lightens the complexion by controlling the melanin production in the skin. This one-time use facial kit retails for 195 rupees each, and it effectively removes the tannic and whitens the skin. It is ideal for summertime. I would be reviewing the dragon fruit and argan oil facial kit for you all. This facial kit has argan oil which gives skin a natural boost. It has dragon fruit extracts which fights the signs of aging. It also has biosodium which helps in skin conditioning, improves the complexion, reduces wrinkles, dark spots, fine lines and blemishes. It also has vitamin B3 which protects the skin from UV damage. This facial kit is specifically for anti-aging purposes and is ideal for people with mature skin. This is a one-time use facial kit and retails for 245 rupees. I can't tell you much about this product because I don't have anti-aging concerns. Now I have one bonus product to review. It's the Inveda Body Butter Cream. This body butter has a soothing texture which relaxes the mind and body, leaving the skin rejuvenated and nourished. This is a paraben-free body butter, and the fragrance of this product is somewhat like Johnson's baby products. It is ideal for body massage, and personally I'm a fan of this body butter because it glides very beautifully onto the skin and you can massage your feet, hands, or body very nicely with it. This body butter retails for 275 rupees each. You can buy these products from their website inveda.in or from all leading online stores. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. This is me, Ramsha Sultan, signing off.